Dangerous airports, thrills and chills. Welcome to our countdown of the most dangerous airports in the world and the reasons behind their existence. In the vast expanse of our planet, amidst towering mountains and bustling cities, lie gateways to the sky airports. While some are marvels of modern engineering, others present unique challenges, demanding the utmost skill and a touch of daring from those who dare to land upon their runways. Join me, Sagar Kumar, as we embark on a journey to these extraordinary corners of the world. From the Himalayas to the Caribbean, we'll explore the reasons behind their precarious locations, the risks involved, and the stories of the pilots and passengers who navigate these aerial tightropes. Prepare to be captivated by tales of engineering ingenuity, breathtaking landscapes, and the sheer determination of humanity to conquer the skies, no matter the obstacle. Lukla Airport, Nepal, gateway to Everest. Nestled amongst the soaring peaks of the Himalayas lies Tenzing Hillary Airport, more commonly known as Lukla Airport. This small strip of asphalt, perched precariously on a mountainside at an elevation of over 9,000 feet, serves as the gateway to Mount Everest, the world's highest peak. The challenges begin with the runway itself, a mere 1,729 feet long with a steep incline and a sheer drop at one end. Pilots must contend with unpredictable mountain weather, including strong winds, rapidly changing visibility, and the ever-present threat of cloud cover. Landing at Lukla is not for the faint of heart. It demands precision, experience, and nerves of steel, making it a true test of aviation skill and a thrilling start to any Everest expedition. Princess Juliana International Airport, St. Martin, a beach lover's nightmare. Our next destination takes us to the Caribbean island of St. Martin, home to Princess Juliana International Airport. What makes this airport so remarkable and indeed dangerous is its proximity to Maho Beach, a popular spot for tourists seeking an up-close and personal encounter with arriving aircraft. The runway is remarkably short, a mere 7,152 feet, requiring large jets to make incredibly low approaches over the turquoise waters of the Caribbean Sea. Sunbathers on Maho Beach are treated to the sight of these massive aircraft seemingly just feet above their heads. The roar of the engines, a visceral thrill. While this proximity creates spectacular photo opportunities, it also presents significant risks. The blast from jet engines can blow unsuspecting tourists off their feet, and there have been instances of debris causing injury. Chapter 3. Courchevel Altiport, France, landing on a ski slope. High in the French Alps, amidst the snow-capped peaks and challenging slopes, lies Courchevel Altiport. This airport serves the exclusive ski resort of Courchevel, catering to a clientele accustomed to luxury and adventure in equal measure. But landing here is not for the faint of heart. The runway, a mere 1,722 feet long, is not only short but also features a dramatic uphill gradient of 18.6%, adding an extra layer of complexity to takeoffs and landings. Adding to the challenge, the airport is often shrouded in fog and can experience sudden changes in wind direction, making it a test even for the most experienced pilots. Despite the inherent risks, Courchevel Altiport remains a popular destination for those seeking the ultimate skiing adventure, a testament to the allure of this breathtaking yet unforgiving corner of the world. Chapter 4. Paro Airport, Bhutan, the Dragon's Nest. In the heart of the Himalayas, shrouded in myth and legend, lies Paro Airport, the sole international airport of the Kingdom of Bhutan. This airport, often referred to as the Dragon's Nest, is renowned for its stunning beauty and the challenges it presents to even the most seasoned pilots. Surrounded by towering peaks reaching heights of over 16,000 feet, Paro Airport is situated in a deep valley with steep mountainsides flanking the runway on either side. This unique topography creates treacherous wind conditions, including downdrafts and turbulence, making the approach and landing a delicate and precise maneuver. Only a select few pilots are certified to land at Paro, having undergone rigorous training to navigate the challenging terrain and unpredictable weather. It's a testament to human skill and ingenuity and a reminder of the awe-inspiring power of the natural world. Chapter 5, Madeira Airport, Portugal, Taming the Atlantic Winds. Our final destination takes us to the island of Madeira, a Portuguese archipelago located in the North Atlantic. Madeira Airport, also known as Cristiano Ronaldo International Airport, is known for its challenging landing conditions, often buffeted by strong winds and turbulent air currents. The airport's location, on a narrow coastal plateau with steep cliffs on one side and the vast ocean on the other, exposes it to the full force of the Atlantic winds. To mitigate these challenges, a remarkable feat of engineering was undertaken. In 2000, the airport's runway was extended with a significant portion built on a platform supported by 180 massive columns, each over 250 feet tall. This innovative solution has significantly improved safety at Madeira Airport, demonstrating how human ingenuity can overcome even the most formidable natural obstacles. From the towering Himalayas to the windswept Atlantic, we've explored some of the most dangerous airports in the world, marveling at the challenges they present and the ingenuity of those who navigate them. These airports, each unique in its own right, serve as a testament to human ambition, our desire to connect with the world, and our ability to overcome even the most daunting obstacles. But our journey doesn't end here. The world is full of extraordinary places, each with its own story to tell. So join me next time as we continue to explore the wonders of our planet, uncovering hidden gems and marveling at the diversity and beauty of our natural world. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the world's most intriguing places.